What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Ike Ude, back at it with another episode of Purified Hustle. And today we are in the garden. We actually built this garden from scratch. Wish I could show you guys that, but we are at this point right here. Right now we just laid down this little tarp. It's a waterproofing tarp that you can lay down before you put on the soil. And then we have this little net as well that we're laying down just to hold up the soil properly. And we're gonna put the soil inside of here, and then we're gonna start planting. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us on this journey, and you are going to see how everything turns up. And in the future, I'll show you guys what the food is looking like, what we've grown. I think we got some peppers, tomatoes, sage leaf, we got some beets, and other nice, tasty, healthy things like that. Nature's Care organic raised bed soil. I think these are all about like $7 to $8 for a big bag. So we've got some compost here. The compost consists of melon seeds, oranges, bananas, I think some potato peel, sweet potato peels, just all the food that we use inside that's natural, that has leftover skins and seeds. We use this to compost, and They're a couple days old now, maybe even a week or two. This smells really bad, but I'm sure it's gonna decompose properly into the soil and help provide nutrients to the babies. Looks like we're gonna need some more soil, so we're gonna have to make a quick run to Home Depot / Lowe's. I'm gonna get right back to you guys after that. We are heading to Home Depot right now. We are about to cop some more soil, as we just said. Anything to say to the people?
It's your boy 8603 logging in. He's in Smart Food right now.
He's in Smart Food. He's eating the trash. Purified Hustle does not condone that, but it's all good.
I'm on it, Purified, and I'm hustling.
Oh, okay.
That's Purified Hustle at its finest. You feel me? Okay.
Copy that. Could aid this garden from Home Depot that we could cop right now. To my subscribers, if you got anything else that is at Home Depot that would help us create this garden and create food that tastes really good, leave that in the comment section. Like I was saying, soil's not too expensive, but to fill up that flower bed, we need a good amount.
See if you guys pick this up.
Just got back from Home Depot. This is what it's looking like with a couple more bags of soil. I'm gonna nail these into the garden in the corners. And then I'm going to latch on this fencing to ward off deers and stuff. like to explain what's going on here?
I am spacing out holes for these tomato plants.
All right.
I'm just gonna dump them out.
Where'd you learn to do this? I hope you're not about to say TikTok. TikTok?
Yeah, some stuff off of TikTok.
Oh, you.
Shout out Epic Gardening.
Shout out Epic Gardening. I'm gonna leave your in the description box to check out a whole lot of real gardener pro stuff. We are gardener amateurs, but we're getting the hang of it. Oh, that looks dope.
Yeah, so we're digging these and I'm putting a little bit of soil over them because I don't want them to get overburned by the sun.
Alright.
And yeah, soon they'll grow to be beets.
These are the tomatoes, guys. We got the tomatoes over here and we got the beets doing what the beets do over here. What else do we have to plant?
We have some Thai hybrid peppers and jalapeno peppers.
Okay. Hybrid peppers and jalapeno peppers, beets, tomatoes. Sounds like a garden we got going on or something. Sounds like a garden or something. Wow, the soil in your fingers look really cool. Last on the list is the okra. These are the okra babies right here. And after we get these planted in right here, we're gonna cage up the garden for the day. Are we gonna be watering at all today?
Yeah.
Okay, we are gonna be watering today, so I'm gonna let you guys in on some watering supplements that we got. We've got some sea moss water and some distilled water.
So you want to get all the dirt around it wet so that there's just no air pockets and just other holes that just leave room. You want it to be all filled in.
Have a couple other baby peppers and sorts like that are still growing. Strawberries that are still incubating, so we're not gonna plant those just yet. We're gonna give those about a week or two left, but the beets, the okra, and the tomatoes were ready for today. We eat sea moss, and this is a byproduct, the sea moss water. Basically, when you soak the sea moss, basically after soaking the sea moss, you get this in the water, and we save it to water our plants with, to feed our plants with. So we're gonna add in some of this. This is very high in minerals. It smells like seawater. Babies. A little extra potency to the babies. I think we're gonna use all this out. I told you guys, the incredible diatomaceous earth. I told you you could really use this for everything, from healing the body, regenerative tissue, you know, cleansing the colon, pesticide So we're gonna use this as a pesticide today. I'm gonna show you guys how you do this. Is really just sprinkling a nice little coat on top of the soil. That way when insects and pesticide type bugs consume it, it actually dries them up. It kills them just about close to on contact.
Together with some type of string or something and just untie them every time we're gonna be watering the garden.
So we're gonna tie this up with something, but you guys get what is going on here. Like I said, I'm in a time crunch, so I want to just show everybody the final product, do a nice little pan around. Alright guys, so that's today's vlog. How to garden with the Purified family. Alright guys, Purified Hustle out with another video. If you like content like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be answering any questions that you have if I didn't make this too informative for you. So if you got any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. All right, guys, have a good one. Purified Hustle out with another one. Peace.
Fire!